Hey everyone, today we are unboxing and demoing this 4K HDMI splitter by Avedio links. Alright, so opening up the box, you find a tray with everything neatly tucked away, and at the bottom is a user manual. Here I'm taking everything out of the tray. Now, let's go over everything you get inside. First up, here is the manual. It is super detailed, and there's lots of big nerd stuff inside. Definitely worth a read. An HDMI cable is also included. This is such a nice addition. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable. And now, here is the power adapter that you plug the USB Type-C cable in. Now, behold the HDMI splitter itself. Here is the side view. And then here on the front, we've got the HDMI in and the USB Type-C power input. Now on this side, we have a switch that controls the resolution. I'm going to keep it on A. You can read more about this in the manual. Lastly, on the other end, we have the two HDMI outputs. Alright, so I will be demoing the capabilities of this device. I will be cloning this laptop here to these two monitors. Firstly, I am going to plug in the laptop into the HDMI input. Then I'm going to connect my KYY monitor to one of the outputs. After which I am going to connect this Lenovo monitor HDMI cable to the other output. And lastly, I'll plug in the power cord for the HDMI splitter. Now here I am powering everything on. As you can see, my laptop screen was successfully cloned to the two monitors. I now have three screens showing the exact same thing. Everything looks great, there's no lag, and it works perfectly. I then unplugged the power cord for the HDMI splitter, and it still worked. In this setup, it looks like the laptop was supplying enough power through the HDMI cable to the HDMI splitter for it to work. Now, disclaimer, this may not be the case for every setup, so bear that in mind. You may still need your power cable. And that's it. This device works as advertised. It is super simple to use and it makes life way easier. I would highly recommend this HDMI splitter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.